If you have your nice chocolate complexion and don't want to whiten your skin, this video is not for you, because this mixture will definitely whiten your skin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades lighter. So this is a bulk mix, guys. So if you're ready for this, please like, share, subscribe, and watch until the end of this video to get the full mixture for this Carotone Egyptian gold mixture. This mixture will whiten out your skin, guys. First thing you want to get is your clean bowl and your clean spoon. You're going to get 2 Carotone jar cream. You're going to use half of the CT plus oil, 7 milk protein gel. Then you're going to get 2 Egyptian gold lotion, the 14 days one. You're going to add it to the mixture. Then you're going to get the serum, the pure Egyptian gold 14 days face and body serum. And then you're going to add the gluta concentrate C intense whitening, half of that in the mixture. Then after that, you're going to add the pure skin cream in the mixture, add some sunscreen, and mix it and put it down for 24 hours and let it just settle. And then after, you can use it on your skin at night. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know how the result go. Bye, guys.